Ever imagined controlling something on your laptop screen just with your mind? Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Ritika Mishra from Upside Down Labs, and today I am about to show something straight out of the science fiction. I'll be generating bubbles on my screen using nothing but my brain waves. That's right, no mouse, no keyboard, just pure focus. To make this project possible, we are recording EEG signals from the prefrontal cortex region of the brain. The goal is to detect beta waves that tend to increase as our focus level increases. Let's understand the science and magic behind the brain-computer interface. To get started with this project, you will need one Neuro Playground light, one Vibes playmat, 3 electrodes, 3 Bioamp snap cables, alcohol wipes or wet wipes, NuPrep screen preparation gel, laptop and Arduino IDE. The main highlight of this project is Neuro Playground Lite, using which we will record single-channel EEG. NPG Lite is 3-channel wireless ESP32 based Adafruit form factor biopotential signal amplifier designed for recording EEG, ECG, EMG, EOG. You can use it to make amazing HCI/BCI projects to explore the field of electrophysiology, neuroscience and more. It is perfect for research, education and wearable applications as it offers Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee and Thread connectivity along with patient protection, LEDs, buttons, LiPo battery charging and USB-C with ESD protection. Neuro Playground Lite will be launching soon on Crowd Supply. Subscribe now to never miss out any updates. All links will be provided in the description box below. Now let's start with project setup. The very first step is skin preparation. Start by applying NuPrep skin preparation gel to the areas where the electrodes are placed. This gel gently exfoliates the top layer of the skin, removing dead cells and oil that can interfere with the signal transmission. After rubbing the gel in a circular motion for a few seconds, clean the area using the alcohol swabs. Once your skin preparation is completed, it's time to connect 3 Bioamp snap cables to the NPG Lite. Connect positive cable of the channel 1 to A0P, the negative cable of the channel 1 A0N and reference cable to the ref. Now connect the Bioamp snap cables to the gel electrodes. We will use these to record single channel EEG signals from the prefrontal cortex right from your forehead. Here's how to position the electrodes. Place the positive electrodes between FP1 and FP2 points of your forehead. Attach the negative electrodes to the bony area behind one ear and place the reference electrode to the bony area behind the other ear. To record the EEG signal using NPG Lite, you will need to upload firmware using Arduino IDE, and to do this, power up the Neuro Playground Lite by flipping the on-off button and connecting your NPG device to your laptop with C-type cable. Open the Quartz Arduino firmware folder on the GitHub. Copy your board's firmware sketch from the GitHub folder. It ensures you are always working with latest updated version of the code. Launch the Arduino IDE and directly paste it into New Arduino Sketch window. Install the ESP32 boards from the Boards menu. Note, you don't need to install Arduino ESP32, just install ESP32. Install the required libraries such as Adafruit NeoPixel. In the Arduino IDE, go to Tools, Board and select ESP32, ESP32C6 Dev modules. Once your board is selected and libraries are installed, click the upload buttons. Once uploaded, unplug the NPG Lite is now ready to go wireless. Now download the GitHub repository of the project, the link of which is given in the description box below. Extract the downloaded folder, open it and click on the index.html file. The web interface will be opened. You will see blue circle or bubble generator displayed at the center of the page, along with several control buttons at the bottom, such as connect, disconnect, start stream, stop stream, and slider to set the beta threshold. On the top right corner, you can visualize different band power values of all the bands with respective percentages. To start playing the game, turn on your Bluetooth and click on the connect button. Select your board from the list and set beta threshold value, which is by default set at 0.40. After connection, you will see enabled start stream button. Click on this button to play game. Now the game setup is complete. When you focus, your beta brainwave activity increases. It exceeds the threshold you have set, then bubbles will start rising from the bubble generator. As soon as you lose the focus, your beta activity drops below the threshold, the bubbles will stop providing intuitive neurofeedback on your focus level. This was just a demonstration of how NeuroPlayground Lite can record, filter and process single EEG signals to control an action on the laptop. For this project, we only created single channel EEG acquisition setup. Now imagine what could be possible when we record 3 channels of biopotential signals. This is just the beginning. We are already working on creating much more interesting brain-computer interfaces, especially by leveraging the capabilities of NPG Lite. If you have any project idea or thought in your mind, drop them into comment section. Don't forget to subscribe NeuroPlayground Lite's pre-launch page on CrowdSupply to never miss out any updates. Bye, see you in next video. Until then, keep tinkering.